Good morning, everybody. Hello there, YouTube land. We received something in the mail that's very important to us, and it's our new backup camera. And I'm gonna be doing a video to show you how I install this thing, and it's something we've been looking at for quite a while. And we're just gonna go through it. I'm gonna open the box now, show you the contents. I got to turn it up there. And it's by Haloview. Technology meets design. I've seen several reviews on these cameras, and I think it's going to work for us. So we look forward to installing it and sharing it with you. So here we go. Here's how this is the packaging. There's the directions part of it. The specifications list right here. Very good. And we got a user's manual. And this is the M7-108 2.4 gig digital wireless monitor. Cool. These are all the components. Cabling. There's an antenna. Wow. Here's the screen. Ooh. Nice big screen. I'm going to set mine up on the dash, but I'll show you about all that. Everything looks in good order so far, nothing damaged. Here's the camera we're going to be mounting. This is Haloview HD 720p, that's good. DC 10 to 32 volts. Really nice. Okay, there's the bracket for mounting. Let me turn it around. You see everything. You just got different settings for it. Right now they got it turned this way and screwed in to protect it for shipping. That's okay, I'll change all that. We got the plate here. There's one of the plates for mounting. And it's got a sticky back on it. So see what that does. There's that. What a neat packaging this thing comes in. The different antennas at the different lengths for the different applications. Wow. And both these antennas, you can adjust them, because if you mount something on an angle, it lets you do that in directions. That's pretty cool. The big antenna and the little antenna. Very good. Wow. See, they even got a mark. This one's for the monitor. The cabling. And these are the 3M's one of the best manufacturers of sticky tapes and stuff. I've used that a lot in my life for the different applications when I worked for a long time. At these installing cabling and stuff for temporary use, portable use, permanent use, all those kinds of things. But yeah, here's all the different cables. Everything looks to be here. I haven't went over the exact list, but as I go through the installation of this camera, I'll be more detailed and specific with the specifications and some of the things that I did. So this should be a real good video for a lot of you that haven't done anything like this and want to do something like this. But try to get something positive out of it. So that's all I have to say for right now. The next video part of this thing will be where I'm actually bringing in my 12 volts for my power supply for my source, and I'll show you how I do that. So I have 12 volts available up on the roof, and I'll bring that into it, and we'll continue on.
The mounting of the camera.
Self-tapping screw I'm using.
And the weird thing is, we've got jets flying over and people at the gun range. We got all kinds of stuff going on this morning. It doesn't have to be pretty because it settles out.
Oh, I'll clean it up. Dang it, come on, stop.
Pull it, pull it.
Oh boy. I just let it drip right there.
Yeah. The camera is mounted. The wiring is run. The extra is in the AC unit. And run down between his legs there. There we go. Y'all see it? Right there. Run all the way to the top of that AC is where the little antenna is setting.
If it don't work good there, I can always undo it. I got plenty of extra wire here inside the AC unit coiled up. There's a little area here. I got an extra 20 feet, 15 to 20 feet of cable there.
Sweet.
Pretty long, pretty large amount, but it's up here where it'll be cool, won't be damaged, it won't be just flopping around the top. High enough to clear, and it's high enough to clear for what we want.
Exactly.
So we can see in the back.
Yeah.
It'll work.
It'll work. That looks pretty good. I can come within 4 feet of the back of it, or 5 feet, and still see the camera.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Down no more. Pretty much.
Yeah, I can see it perfect right here.
So we're just gonna leave it there then.
All right.
If it needs an adjustment, then I'll come up and rotate it.
Sweet.
But we're not so much about on the ground as we are above too.
Right. You want to be able to see them tree limbs and bushes and rocks.
Trees.
And trees. And I know some of you are going to say, why didn't we mount this above the P? Because there's no support in there. That's kind of hollow right there. Okay, y'all. Can you see the camera sitting right there? He's about to hook up the 12 volt. All right, let's get her done.
Sun's bright. All right, we're hooked in here. I just wrapped the extra. I didn't want to cut that off right now because I'm going to be changing these out. It could be the hookup be different on the other side here or something, so I just saved the excess cable. So that's it. We'll see if we got camera. It's got power to it.
Woohoo!
Well, don't know yet. I have a bracket here. It's going to set down this little spot here where this little tray was. Can you see that?
Yep.
It's not being used for much because anytime you turn, stuff flies out of it. Couldn't keep nothing in it. So I got a bracket here for the camera, for the what's it called, Sharon? The
Monitor?
The monitor, yeah. And I ovaled out those screws, so this thing should sit right down in there. Hope I didn't do it too big. We'll find out here in a minute. Oh yeah, it'll work.
Sweet.
You'll have to forgive me, the sun is right in my eyes.
Yeah, it's a little bright this evening. Wow, that's gonna be great.
Set slow enough that I can see across the hood. I'm not blocking nothing. And I can also raise the antenna up quite a ways. If I need to get it higher, I can go right to there, like almost straight up if I need to.
That's pretty sweet.
Yep. So pretty cool.
Sweet.
It works. And this got everything's right there. Because this thing in the what was it called? You said you can look at it sideways and it won't be blurry.
You can look at it at any angle and you can still see it. And you can even wear polarized sunglasses. All right, what do you think, Mr. Childers?
I think it's pretty good. We're 300 or 400 yards away, and the camera's still working pretty good.
Yeah.
So we could probably go further. Okay, go back down the road here, and we'll see.
Yeah, we're still at Cousin Tony's house.
Yeah, so far I'm pretty impressed. A great picture.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Yep.
Pretty sweet.
We have a little static, but I think that's because the power lines are close to us down here.
Right.
So, but right here is perfect. I mean, it's not. Wow. Oh, there we go, bye. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Pretty good.
Y'all see how good that photo is? That is awesome. The screen is a non-glare, so no matter which angle you're looking at it, you can still see this clear view. And you can also wear polarized sunglasses with it, and the photo will not change. It's awesome. And that little static you hear, the wind is blowing, and I've got the volume turned up. Fantastic. Haloview Backup Camera RD7. Fabulous. We went 300 yards down the road, still got the same photo. Love it. Love it, love it. We recommend this camera, y'all. We recommend it. This is a 5-star so far. Easy installation. Fabulous. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.